Gates open, they're up and racing. Terrible Marvin draws for your lead, then moving up by the release Tabel together with Canadian Girl. Then racing on the outside is 5A Reyes Angel. Next in line by the rail is Double Play running alongside Sweet Lorky. Then followed over by Let Choice running by the rail is Yes Papa. Second last, Butcherer, and trailing the group is Classic Last. Heading towards the last 600. Now we have 5 and 5A in a 1-2 position. Canadian Girl, Reyes Angel is on the outside. Tabel finding back once again down on the inside. Terrible Marvin is on the outside as they race to the last 450. Four runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Tabel running by the rail. Terrible Marvin in between runners. Reyes Angel with the last 150 more to run. Reyes Angel, Tabel, then on the outside, Terrible Marvin. Reyes Angel this time by about 2 lengths over Tabel, Terrible Marvin. And finally, Reyes Angel. Tabel, Terrible Marvin, then comes Sweet Lorky, Double Play, number 5, Canadian Girl, 1, Yes Papa, Butcherer, and Classic.